Welcome back to Closing Bell on the 28th of October 2020, and today the coronavirus is really peaking. So Germany and France have announced the lockdown and the partial lockdown, so that is rippling the waves. So the 4% loss in both the German and the French market, and that ripple effect across to the US. So the US stocks are tumbling down over 900 points, really severe. Everything is in red. Regardless of the great earnings by Microsoft and AMD, they were falling rapid fire as well. So for those who are holding stocks, are worried, but please let me remind you that this is for the long term. You are investing for the long term. You're not here to swing trade. You're not a trader. You're not here to play options. You're here as a long-term investor. That's why you're watching this video, just like me. So long-term investor, think about the plan that you had in place since day one, where there was no volatility, your money saved away, and you were planning to invest your money into a particular stock. And today should present opportunities for people, and do not be scared of a situation like this. If you cannot stomach, if you cannot swallow a hard pill like today, then investing shouldn't be for you. But for those who are in for the long term, for those who are rallying with me, just hang in there. This is an opportunity to buy, but if you cannot buy, you can't afford to, just hang in. If you've got good quality stocks, good quality COVID-proof type stocks, not stocks that are there for travel industry, hotels or banks, you are fine. You will come out at the end of this tunnel after 2021 when things recover with the vaccine. You'll be glad they've invested. So I just want to give everybody a pat on the back, a hug, a virtual hug, just to tell you that it will be okay. I cannot guarantee what's going to happen or when the stock will come back up, but you are investing for long term in terms of you going to 2025, you going to 2030, 10 years, 15 years into retirement, or you're going to be hitting 40 and 50 where you want to tone down on your job. This is what you're doing. You're saving hard-earned cash is going to the market for this situation.